Hello and welcome to the daily number workout for the number 30 today for third grade. Let's get started. So our first task is word form. Hopefully you have this all filled in and you're just copying or checking and fixing if needed. So we have 30, THIRTY, 30. And since there is a 0 in the ones place, it is even because all numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even. All right, let's go for factors. This should be a fun one. 1 times 30. So that would look like this: 1 times 30. That's the factor pair. 2 goes in because it's even. 2 times 15, two 15s make 30. So 2 times 15. Make my 2 a little better. All right. 3 goes in because look at that. 3 is right there, and that would be times 10. 3 10s make 30. So we have 3 times 10. Does 4 go in? 4 does not go in. 4 goes into 28. 7 times 4 is 28. And then 4 times 8 is 32. So it passes it up. 5 goes in because any number that ends in 0 or 5 goes into. 5 times 6 is 30. So 6 5s or 5 6s. And we're done because there's no other numbers in between. So we have 4 factor pairs that get us 30. So 1 times 30 equals 30. 2 times 15 equals 30. 3 times 10 equals 30. And 5 times 6 equals 30. Isn't that exciting? It's what we get when we have some cool numbers, is they have lots of fun playing, ways to play with them. All right, let's go on to addition. So let's get it. This one's an easy one with it being ending in a 0, right? In the ones place. 30 plus 1 equals 31. 30 plus 2 equals 32. 30 plus 3 equals 33. 30 plus 4 equals 34. 30 plus 5 equals 35. 30 plus 6 equals 36. 30 plus 7 equals 37. 30 plus 8 equals 38. Hopefully you just whipped right through these on your own. 30 plus 9 equals 39. And 30 plus 10 equals 40. Looking good. All right, let's move on to subtraction, which is addition backwards. And we're going to start with our biggest number here, 40 minus 30 equals 10. 39 minus 30 equals 9. 38 minus 30 equals 8. 37 minus 30 equals 7. 36 minus 30 equals 6. 35 minus 30 equals 5. 34 minus 30, equals 4. 33 minus 30 equals 3. 32 minus 30 equals 2. And 31 minus 30 equals 1. All right, we're moving right along. Here we go, multiplication. Now, we're going to do this a little different and see how you like it. So on this one, because we have a 30 on the end, we know we can just multiply the front end. So let's try this out. I'm going to move this up a little bit. So we're going to have 30 times 1 equals. So if I do 1 times 3, it equals 3. And then I just add that 0 right over. There we go. Let's try the next one. 30 times 2 equals, well, 2 times 3 is 6, boom, and I add my 0, boom. Let's do 30 times 3 equals. So there's different ways to do everything, so just honor you and do it the best way you can. 3 times 3 is 9 with a 0. 30 times 4 equals 4 times 3 is 12 with a 0. 30 times 5 equals 5 times 3 is 15 with a 0. 30 times 6 equals 6 times 3 is 18 with a 0. Just those basic facts. 30 times 7 equals 7 times 3 is 21 with a 0. 30 times 8 equals 8 times 3 is 24 with a 0. And then 30 times 9 equals 9 times 3 is 27 with a 0. And last but not least, 30 times 10 equals 1 times 3 is 30. Or I'm sorry, 1 times 30 is 30 with a 0. Either way. 1 times 3 is 3 with the 2 zeros. Make sure we have 2 zeros there. All right. So if you look here, we're counting by threes. 3, 6, but adding zeros to them. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And with zeros because our 3 is not just 3, it's 30. All right. Hopefully you followed along and everything is good. And we're ready to move on to our measurement. So I'll move my paper up for our linear length measurement in standard form, feet, inches, and yards. So today we have 30 inches, which equals, and remember we're putting that over 12. So 30 over 12, I'll move this up just a smidgen, equals, and we're going to break it apart in 12. So we have 12 twelfths plus 12 twelfths. Well, we know 2 twelfths is 24. So all we have is 6 more. So that would be 6 twelfths. So 12 plus 12 is 24, plus 6 is 30. So these have to add up to this number here, this improper fraction, the numerator and the denominator. All right, so let's see how many feet do we have? We have 1, 2 whole feet, 2 and 6 twelfths. This is 2, 2, sorry about that. 2 and 6 twelfths feet, lowercase f, lowercase t. So 30 inches is the same as 2 and 6 twelfths feet. And let's check out our yards. We have 30 over 36. We're getting close to a whole yard, but we only have 36 of a yard at this moment. All right, let's go on to our metric system of centimeters, decimeters, and meters. So we have 30 centimeters. And we know it's 10 centimeters make a decimeter. So we're going to make that into an improper fraction. And we're going to break it down into an addition problem. So 10 over 10 plus 10 over 10 plus 10 over 10, 10, 20, 30. That equals 30. We're done there. So we have 1, 2, 3 whole decimeters. So 30 centimeters equals 3 decimeters. All right, let's move on to meters. We got 30. It takes 100. So we have 30 hundredths of a meter. And we're done with our number workout for today. It's good practice, good playing with numbers. Hope you have a great day.